Hello everybody, welcome back to Phonics. Today we do have a new sound to learn. But first, let's whiz through all of the sounds that we already know, because by now you know quite a lot. Try and shout them out as soon as you recognise the sound, and I will be helping you with the gestures. Are you ready? Let's go. S, ah, t, I, mm. And the other one. Eh. R. Okay, so the last three were eh and and they're the ones we've been doing this week. So let's quickly check that we recognize those ones. Say what you can see. Eh. Yesterday's What about this one? Say it again. Good. Eh. Let me try and trick you now. Eh. Awesome. So yesterday our sound was and if you've been watching Story and Song, I also mentioned it there because of the dog Rags, who says that sound, And just remember to make this sound, follow my pointer, we have to go down, back up and over. One more time, down, back up and over. Now, lots of you yesterday sent me your videos of sounding out these words. Well done. Let's start with the yellow one. Pause the video now and see if you can sound that word out and read it one more time. Okay, let me sound it out to help. Ah, t. What word is it? Rat. Let's try the green one. You take your time to sound it out. Pause the video. Okay, my turn. Ip. Rip. Rip. Now the blue one is a bit tricky because it's got 4 sounds. Try sounding out yourself now and see whether you can remember what the word is from yesterday. Off you go. All right, my turn. Rest. 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 Awesome. Well done, everybody. Today we have a new sound. This sound is Let me read you the story. It's dinner time, and the children are thinking about tasty food. They rub their tummies and say, mmm. Pause the video now and tell somebody at home, what's your favourite tasty food? What makes you say, mmm? Pause now. I like the idea that the boy in the middle has of spaghetti meatballs. Mmm, yum. Or maybe some delicious ice cream. Mmm, or a juicy mango. Mmm. When you say rub your tummy. Mmm. Let's practice writing Whoopsie, I just need to move this to get my pen. Okay, let's write Start at the top, come down, back up over the hill, and over the hill with a tail. Make sure that you do not take your pencil off. Start at the top, down, back up, over the hill, and over the hill. Super! Try tracing with your magic finger. Down, back up over the hill, and a little tail. Well done. Today, I would like to see 5 of your best letters. And make sure you don't take your pen off when you're going over the hills. And make sure you always start at the top, because it can be tempting to start at the bottom and go over the hills straight away. But you must start at the top to come down first. When you've finished with your letters, you need to build the word mat and the word man. Build them with your flashcards or your tiles and then write them down. Quickly now, can you sound out mat? Pause the video to clap out mat. Can you break it up? Try now. Okay, let's sound out mat together. Ah. T. Ah. T. Super. What about man? Can you pause the video to sound out man? Try now. Let's sound out man together. Ah. Ah. Great. By the time it's your turn to write those words, you'll know what to do. Well done, everybody. And I'll see you tomorrow for another letter sound.